Welcome back, y'all. Let's learn about measurement. Today we're going to focus on volume and capacity. You're probably wondering what the difference is between the two. Volume is the amount of space inside a solid figure, while capacity is how much liquid a three-dimensional figure can hold. Let's start by talking about the customary units for volume and capacity. These units are most often used in the United States. We have fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and even gallons. Let's start with our smallest unit, fluid ounces. Fluid ounces measure small amounts of liquid. Our next unit is the cup. It is about the size of a mini water bottle, just like the ones that are sold at school. Did you know that 8 fluid ounces is equal to 1 cup?
Okay, here are more examples of the size of what 1 cup would be. I found some tomato sauce. Notice it's the small can. This is 1 cup of tomato sauce. I also found this energy drink. This is 1 cup. And did you know that a bottle of hand sanitizer also measures 1 cup?
Now let's move on to the pint. The pint is about the amount of liquid in a small water bottle. And I can't think of anyone that wouldn't want a pint of ice cream all to themselves. Next is the quart. The quart is about the amount of liquid in a large bottle of Gatorade.
Alright, here is 1 quart of Gatorade. It's the one that's this size. It's not the one that's super small, and it's not the one that's super big either. It's about this size.
And if you find you have to share your ice cream with a friend, you're probably going to want to buy a quart. Our largest unit for customary capacity is the gallon. We have gallons of milk. You can also measure larger items like a swimming pool by the gallon. If you're going to have a party, you might want to buy a gallon of ice cream. Now let's move on to the metric system for volume and capacity. These units are most often used in other countries, like the milliliter and the liter. The smallest unit is the milliliter. That's about 10 small drops of water. Milliliters measure small amounts of liquid, like the liquid in this spoon. Can also measure drops of water, like some eye drops that you might put in your eyes. Next is the liter. The liter is about the amount of liquid in a large bottle of water. Liters can also be used to measure larger amounts of water, like the amount of water in a filled bathtub. This shows 1 liter of scope.
I wanted to show you the liter. Familiar with this one? The big 2-liter bottle of Coke. That's the one we're used to seeing. So 1 liter would be half of that. That would be this one. So when I put them together, you can see the difference. 2 liters, 1 liter. It's half.
Let's move on to customary weight. These are units most often used in the United States, like the ounce, the pound, and we can't forget about the ton. Let's start with the customary weight of ounces. A small bag of chips is measured in ounces. Have you ever wondered what an ounce of gold looks like? Well, here it is. An ounce is also about the weight of 23 almonds. Let's talk about the pound. Here you see 2 candy jars, one with 5 pounds and one with just 1 pound. Other things that weigh about a pound are 2 rolls of quarters or 3 medium-sized bananas. And last but not least is our ton. A Volkswagen Bug weighs about 1 ton. Did you know a baby whale weighs about 1 ton? And our Liberty Bell, the symbol for independence, also weighs a ton. That's all I have for today. Hope to see you again soon.